Today we study about plants. Plants need water, air, soil, and sunlight to grow and live. Plants live in land, soil, dry land, wetland, and water. Hello, grade 2. Today is a good day. Today it's episode 5 in our science lesson about plant life. Week 5, August 2, August 3, 2021. Monday, Tuesday. Okay, grade 2. Did you enjoy the clip? It's a funny clip, right? Well, that clip is about plants, how they need to survive. They need what? Water and sunlight, but not too much, just the right amount of sunlight and water. Too much or too little is also not good. That is our lesson today. It's about plants. Now let us look further. Our lesson about plants will help us learn how plants grow and what plants need in order to grow and survive. Do you know how to plant a flower? Do you know how to plant a tree? Do you know what is the life cycle of an eggplant? Well, we will find out. The important factors for plant life. Can we answer the pictures below? Because it is very easy. Plants are living things, just like humans and animals. So does the plant. They need water and sunlight for them to grow. Let us answer the exercise below. Do you see this one? Like I said, plants are living things, and there are some factors that are very important for plants to live. Do you see this one? It's a watering can. If you put just the right amount of water to the plant can grow because it needs to drink. It is also thirsty. And if it grows, it means it can also make its own food. Now the next one. In number 2, the plant doesn't have water. So if there is no water inside the watering plant, a watering can, and we cannot put water to the plant, then the plant cannot grow. It cannot survive. See, plants need water to make food for it to survive. Now we can go to the next page. What page is this? On page 45. Just like light and water, plants also need air and nutrients to grow well. Different plants can grow and live in different places, but all plants need the same important factors for their living. And here are some examples of plants that grow. Some on land and some where? In water, like the sunflower. The sunflowers, they grow on land. And there are other flowers or plants that can grow in water, like the lotuses. And there are other plants that can grow on wet land. They are the mangroves. And the last are the cactuses. They live and grow in the desert. They can grow well in very dry places. Do you know why? Because the cactus have leaves that grow into spines. So they lose less water and they can live in well in dry places. Okay, after teacher read the pages from the book, let us review. Maybe teacher was very fast in teaching the lesson, so I will begin again and continue with our lesson. So from the book, let us review. From our science book, we read from the page 45, some plants can live on water, just like this one. Can you see? They live in water. They live on water. Some plants live in wetlands, land that is filled with water. And in some places, plants live on land, regular land, land with healthy soil, not wet, not dry. Some plants live on dry land. It is a very hot place and doesn't have water. It only rains only a few times in 1 year. One example of plants is the cactus. Do you see the cactus? It is big and pointed with very sharp thorns, like needles. Now, I will explain in the next video about this worksheet. You will color because this will be again our next lesson, photosynthesis. Okay, this is a worksheet that I will give you about photosynthesis. Please color the picture, the sun, the flower, the leaves, and the words, and the roots. This is a picture of how we demonstrate photosynthesis. Okay? I'll get it next week. Thank you. Summary. Today, we learned that plants need air, water, sun, soil to live and grow. Just like us, they also need to breathe oxygen and drink water and also get energy from the sun so they can live and grow. We also learned today that plants live on land and on water. I hope you learned something today. We will continue with the plant life next week.